Water lady.
Hi, I am.
What are you doing today, Mickey Meisner, your Kangen Water lady?
I'm just cleaning and disinfecting my bathroom with strong, acidic 2.5 Kangen water.
Wow, that looks like a grody job.
I know that with 2.5 strong, acidic Kangen water, my bathroom is bacteria and germ free, and I didn't have to use any toxic chemicals.
That sounds great. Hey, Mickey Meisner, your Kangen Water lady. Where can people go to find out more information about that Kangen water?
You can learn more about Kangen water on the World Wide Web. Go to thekangenexperience.com and learn all about how water can change your life.
Water changing life? Jeepers!
It's not just water, it's an experience. The Kangen experience.
What are you gonna clean next?
Probably your mouth.